Welcome to my channel Excel Basic to Advanced. Today I am going to walk you through the shortcuts in Excel. So first of all we will see Control plus page down. What it does. So it switches between worksheet tabs from left to right. If we want to move sheet 2, just click Control plus page down. We will move to sheet 2. If we want to move sheet 3, just click Control plus page down. You will move next sheet. If you want to go back to previous sheet, we will use Control plus page up shortcut. So just click Control plus page up. You will move to previous sheets. So this is the second shortcut. Now we will see Control plus Shift plus ampersand. What it does. So it applies the outline border to the selected cells. So here we have selected cells. Now we will use Control plus Shift plus ampersand. Now you will see the border has been applied. The next one is Control plus Shift and underscore. So it removes the outline border from the selected cells. So here we have outline border already applied. Now we want to remove this border, so just use Control Shift underscore. It will remove the border. Now we will see Control Shift tilde. What it does. So it applies the general number format. Next we have Control Shift dollar. It applies the currency format with two decimal places, negative numbers in parentheses. So if we have number 2, or we can have any number, and we want to convert them in currency format, so just use Control Shift and dollar. It will convert in currency format with two decimal points. We have next Control Shift tilde. What it does, it applies the percentage format with no decimal places. So just use here Control Shift and percentage. So it convert this number into percentage. Now we have Control Shift and vector. So what it does, it applies the scientific number format with two decimal places. So let's see, this will convert this number into scientific number. Now next we have Control Shift and hash. So what it does, it applies the date format with the day, month and year format. So Control Shift hash. Here you can see it has converted the number in date format, seconds and 00. If we have correct date, then it will convert it into correct date format. Now we have Control Shift at the rate. So what it does, it applies the time format with the hour, minute and am or pm. So let's convert this. Control Shift at the rate. Okay, next we have Control Shift plus this sign. So what it does, applies the number format with two decimal places, thousand separator and minus sign for negative values. So let's convert this number. Control Shift and this. Now we will have what Control plus 1 does. So it displays the format cell box. So let's see Control plus 1. So this is the format cell. Now we have control plus 2. So what it does, it applies or remove bold formatting. So here we have any text and we want to bold them, then just control plus 2. If we want to, okay, next we have control plus 3. What it does, it applies or remove italic formatting. Control plus 2 remove applies and remove bold formatting as well. So let's again control plus 2, it removes bold. Now we want to apply italic formatting, so control plus 3, and need to remove, just again control plus 3, and control plus 4, what it does, applies or remove underlining. So control plus 4, you can see your underline has been applied. We want to remove, just control plus 4. Control plus 5, what it does, it applies or remove strike through. So let's see control plus 5, you can see. Now go back, control plus 5. Control 6, what it does, control plus 6, it alternates between hiding and displaying objects. Control plus 8 displays or hides the outline symbols. Control 9 hides the selected rows. Control 0 hides the selected columns. Control A selects the entire worksheet, and again Control B applies or bold formatting, which is done by Control plus 2 as well. Control C, it copies the selected cells like this. Control C, it copies. Control D, it uses the fill down command to copy the contents and format of the topmost cell of a selected range into the cells below. So let's see example of this. So here we have some text and we want to drag this down. So just select the cells and just apply Control plus D. It will drag down all the cells. Now we have Control plus C. So let's see what it does. It adds more values to the active column by using data surrounding that column. So if you want to just take two first two characters of this text, now just click Control E. It will fill down same as above format. Okay, Control F. So it displays the find and replace dialog box with the find tab selected. So let's just click Control plus F. So here we have find and here we have replace. Now Control plus G. It displays the go to dialog box. So just click Control G. Go to box will appear. Control H. Again it will display the find and replace dialog box with the replace tab. Control plus I, it applies or remove italic formatting, which is same as Control plus 3. Now we have Control K. So it displays the insert hyperlink dialog box. Due to technical issue, I have left a few shortcuts for you to try on your own. If you run into any issues or have questions, just drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. I would like to see you in next video.